Peace, I'm Nubia. I'm going to read to you my first haiku that I wrote, and haikus are pretty complex, you know what I'm saying? If you write, and hopefully I get to hear some of yours. So, here it is. I just want to share. Climbing up your tree, plunging into my valley, teasing the tip top. Moans make words jealous, drowning deep into oceans, drumming my cervix. You made my earth quake. I possess you with bright smiles. Your flesh is not mine. Dreamed reality through the window to your soul evaporates lies. You made my earth quake. Branches brush against my face. Light entered my womb. Promised time will stay. You poured oceans into me. Birthed rebel babies. My heartbeat races. Last lifetime you planted seeds. My third eye awaits. Telepathic phone. Then chance took a glance at us. Floating high, we sleep. Lonely fades away. Playing chess on your chest. Amun Ra is queen. Alright. Peace, happiness, joy. Read, share with me, and riot. Speak up, speak out, say something, And if it's about me, keep this shit to yourself. Alright, that's it. Hotep.